My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 MG4. This vehicle was done just under 17,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the first page of our screen, we can access weather, Apple and Android CarPlay, charging, radio, navigation. If we press here, we can access our 360 degrees camera, which comes with parking sensors. We also have rescue call, MG touchpoint, our user manual, AC and vehicle settings. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.